Yifeng Tech is a professional animatronic dinosaur manufacturing factory with around 50 employees. The company is headquartered in the hometown of dinosaurs, Zigong, as one of the leading manufacturing technology suppliers of animatronic dinosaur project solutions. Our design experts infuse artistic design ideas with site topography. Yifeng offers customers everything they need from a single source. We have a complete manufacturing system, from frame manufacturing and shaping to painting and testing. We focus on the research and development of simulated dinosaurs, simulated animals and insects, dinosaur fossils and skeletons, simulated ancient plants, buried excavation sites, walking dinosaur suits, and other simulation products. Our products suit museums, science and technology museums, amusement parks, dinosaur theme parks, large shopping malls, city squares, resorts, etc. Customer satisfaction and customer needs are always the purpose of our service.